Hi guys, welcome back. Let's quickly round corners of rectangular objects such as a square or a rectangle in CorelDraw, a designing program. And in this video, I'll also show you the types of corners that you can adjust the size of. For example, these rounded corners, the corners trimmed by quarter circles, or even these corners, which look diagonal. So let's make a rectangle. Click on the rectangle tool. And then let's say if you want to make a rectangle just like this. So since this lock icon is not clicked on, we can edit the roundness of each corner of the rectangle. So to edit the roundness of the top left corner, simply insert a number here, for example 100. For the bottom left, insert a number here, for example 200. For the top right, 300, and then for the bottom right, 400. Pretty easy, isn't it? So now you know how you can manually round corners, just like these, to make the roundness of the corners of a rectangular object uniform, also that the roundness stays the same. Click on the lock icon. And then change the number, insert the random number, for example 250. Now the roundness is the same for all of the corners, just like these. Now you can even change the type of the corners by selecting one of the three corner types. For example, this, which is set as default, round corner. And then you can even click on this scalloped corner type, so that the corners are trimmed by the quarter circles. Same goes here. And then if you want to make your corners look diagonal, click on this one, chamfered corner, so that the corners look chamfered, not wholly beveled, just like this. It's pretty easy, isn't it? You can also adjust the size of the corners by clicking on the shape tool and then click on the square with edited corners, and then you can even drag the nodes just like this. Same goes here. Fancy. Now you can round corners in CorelDraw, just like this. And now that you know how you can round corners, you can finally design something. So that's how you can quickly round corners. And that's it about the types of corners for rectangular objects in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!